Hello everyone, welcome to Codingmuggers. Today we are gonna learn about the software Sublime Text Editor. This software is used by professional programmers used for web development. So today we will see how to install it in your PCs and its user interface overview. So firstly, what is Sublime Text Editor? Sublime Text Editor एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसको यूज़ करते हैं प्रोफेशनल प्रोग्रामर्स अपनी वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट में और भी बहुत सारे कोडिंग लैंग्वेजेस में। सो इस एडिटर में हम कोडिंग अपनी लिख सकते हैं। ये बेसिकली हमें एक एनवायरनमेंट प्रोवाइड कराता है जिसमें हम अपनी कोडिंग लैंग्वेजेस लिख सकते हैं, जैसे HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, React.js, all these kind of languages it supports. Basically, it is made for web development purpose. So now we will see how to install this software in your PC. Firstly, open your web browser and search here for Sublime Text Editor. After searching, you will see some results like this. Click on the first tab and you will get some interface like this on their website. So, if you are using a Windows laptop or PC, you can directly download by clicking on this option, that is download for Windows. But if you are using Linux or Mac OS, you may go to this option here, download. So I am clicking this option. Now I am getting three options: Mac OS, Windows and Linux. I can download for any one of these according to my PC configuration. So currently I am using a Windows laptop, so I will click on Windows. And the software will start downloading now. So after downloading the software, you will get your software in your downloads folder, something like this. So double click on the software. Give the permission to yes. And boom. It will ask you to set the file location where you want to install the software. So let it be as it is. Click on next, again next, and click on install. It will start installing. Now click finish. Now the software is installed in your computers. You go to your start menu and search for Sublime. You will get it here. Now this is the basic interface of our Sublime Text Editor. We are having many options like file, edit, selection, find, view, go to, tools, project, preferences and help. Here I can write my code or anything text I want to write, like we are Codingmuggers. So like this I can write anything just like a normal software. The theme color is white, so I would prefer to be dark theme. So go to preferences, click there and you can select your color scheme from here. So I will be using this one color scheme. This become to dark mode. You can also select your color scheme according to your, if you like light mode or dark mode, you can switch from here. Now coming to the file menu. Coming to the file menu, we have so many options like creating a new file, open file, open folder, open recent folders, reopen, split view, save, save with encode, save as like any other text editing software. In the edit menu, we have cut, copy as HTML, paste, line, comments, tags, mark. Like this we are having so many options, undo and selection. We can split into lines, single selection, select all, expand selections. This is to work on a particular section, what we selected. Then we get find option, find, replace, quick find. View, in the view we have so many options like layout, hide status bar, hide tabs. In the layout option we can make two windows like this. Now you can work on simultaneously on two files with the help of this option. Go to view and go to layout and you can choose any option. So many options other are there like groups, focus group, move file to group. Then go to symbol, you can move to a particular word or syntax in your file. Then tools like command palette, it opens the command prompt. Snippets, build with, it is to compile your code and run it. Then project, open project, switch project, so many options. Then preferences, browse packages. This is an interesting option, browse packages. If I click on this browse packages, it will ask you to enter the package which you have currently installed, but I have not installed any package, so I may go to package control. In package control I can add, like if I write add repository, so I can add any repository that I have written on GitHub, the code I have uploaded on GitHub and all, directly to my Sublime Text Editor from this option. Like this I can install other packages also. Install package. If I click on install package, it takes some time. It's currently loading here. Okay, now I got it. So out of these so many packages, like in VS Code, if you have used VS Code, we have the extensions option. But in Sublime Text, we can also add as many extensions as we want. Like if I want an extension for HTML, I will get it. HTML bundle, HTML attributes, HTML boilerplate, compressor, minifier, extend, like this. As the options we had in VS Code in the form of extensions like CSS, Java. We have Java, also JavaScript pattern, JavaScript multiline. So like this we can add extensions to our Sublime Text Editor too. Now coming to the point of coding. Now if I want to make a new file of HTML, I will directly go to file option, create a new file here. I already created, but create a new file, you will get something like this, untitled file. Now I have to save it. So save it into your desktop, index.html, and boom. Now I can use inbuilt functions of Sublime Text Editor. It already knows what I want to write. Now I will show you. Like I written an less than arrow, and it gave me all the tags that are used in HTML. Each and every tag is there. I can select any one of this according to my need. Currently I want the boilerplate of HTML, so I will write HTML and hit enter. So it automatically created the boilerplate of HTML for me. I didn't have to write so much code for this. Now I will write h1 and directly hitting the enter, it already gave me the closing tag too. I didn't need to write the closing tag here. If I want to write the p tag, just hit enter and it will give me the closing tag, and I can write anything inside this. So I will write now we are Codingmuggers. In the h1 tag we write welcome. Now save the file and right click on your code. Anywhere on the code you can right click and open in browser. This is the option, open in browser. Open in containing folder. This will open the folder where your file is saved, and copy file path. This will copy the file path to your clipboard. Now I will open in browser, and as you can see I am getting the answer. As like this you can make many new files and write your code of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP and other languages that are used in web development with the help of our Sublime Text Editor. So that's it for today, and thank you so much.